Hello friends. So we left a drawing of washers. You can draw the washers exactly attached to the nut here. Noted dimensions. That is what so washer. It has inner diameter and outer diameter. Inner diameter is what d plus 1.5 mm. Okay, and outer diameter it is what 2d plus 3 mm. Okay, 2d plus 3 mm. Now thickness of washer it is what 0.15 t. Okay, 15 t, right? Now let us look at here. Now make a zoom. Go for offset. Distance, how much you are going to get? Outer diameter it is a 53. 53 divided by 2 it's 26.5. Select a single object, place it on top side. Select single objects bottom side, bottom side. So now it has to be attached to the nut here. Just to extend, right. Now trim. Now go for offset. Now thickness is 0.15 into 25. Okay, 3.75. Select single. Offset this line. Now quite closer view. Trim out this portion. Now what is the inner diameter? Inner diameter has to be d plus 1.5. Offset. Now it is a 26.5 divided by 2. Okay. Single. Select the center line. Place it on top side. Select the center line. Right. Now trim. Right. Let us go for trim. Trim this portion. Now select right. Now trim. Okay, because this will be a done portion now. Right. Now this is what washer. Okay. Just copy this washer to the top view. Sorry, that is view across a flat surface. Let us go for move with copy option here. Just select washer. Okay. Now select any one reference point here. Go for this end point and I will place here. Now wherever possible, I will just extend. Okay. I need to draw one line here. Now about in side view, you need to draw a circle which is exactly 53 mm. Okay. Now this is what placement of washer.